Okay, so fluid's finally gone. It's time to ride the Raleigh Equipe tribute replica thing. So let's do that. Oh shit. That's why they call it a shakedown. Oh, I've dropped a smidge there. Flipping egg. Okay, so welcome back to another ride video, and we are finally test riding the Raleigh Equipe Tribute. Let's just recap what I did and what I built. So, I took a Dawes 531 frame, resprayed it to look like a Raleigh Equipe, which was my brother's bike back in the day. I then went full resto mod, adding carbon wheels, SRAM gearing, various other treats, plus colour-coded mudguards to make it my winter road bike. And today we're finally out and about, heading on about, I don't know, 40-50 mile ride. Shake this down. Oh, I've been down with the flu, not been able to ride since the freezing cold gravel ride you might have seen, if not the link up here. Since then, I haven't turned a pedal. You can hear I'm a bit breathless, but I'm still going for it. Okay, so on today's ride, we've got Dave, we've got JC, we've got Chops on the road bike that I built her as a Christmas present. So she's back on the road too, getting her road strength back up. And we've got a new addition. We've got a friend of Chops', Harriet, who's riding their brand spanking new Liv. Oh, it's not even that cold. It's brilliant. Come on in. Yeah.
Commute to the shop.
Yeah.
With a chest mount, the strap came off, so it was hanging all over the place.
Right.
So there's some bits where it's
They do come undone.
needs editing.
You can soon chop it together.
Yeah.
Still a piece of bridle way here we haven't had, Dave. Yeah, still a piece of bridle way we haven't had.
I think that joins up with the shooting club driveway. It takes you all the way down to Eddingdale.
All right.
Quite nice.
Yeah, that sounds all right. Are we in Bailey Bridge? Bit nearer. I believe so, yeah. Well, this is always meant to be temporary. Yeah. Okay, so thoughts so far. Oh, I've forgotten how comfortable this Dawes is. Oh, I feel like I've got my road mojo back. Rocketing along, comfortable as anything. Only thing that's a bit weird is getting a very sharp burning smell from my carbon brakes. Oh, he's hoping that I've not mullered the rims. Find out when we get to the gaff. See what she's got. Right, into the drops proper for the first time. Let's see what this old steel steed has got.
Drop the ladies.
Oh no!
I know.
I was too busy seeing what it's got. On your left, Dave. Oh yeah, it's cafe time. It's time for a bit of food. Canal side cafe at Raleigh. Oh, quality. Oh, check that out. So, we've done 20 odd mile. And the Raleigh is looking great. Look at that. My God, they're doing the job. It's quite muddy out and the white paint is holding up pretty darn well. It's now time to have some well-earned breakfast. Let's go and see what the Canal Side Cafe has in store for us. After one last look, because I mean, come on, look at it. It's pretty and retro. Oh, and I'm using the Restrap bar and waist bag, which really suits it, I think. Yeah. Oh, magic.
I'll look good anyway.
So what we're going to say?
G-Tech in the background.
Yeah.
So Hoover there, look.
Oh, drums can do it as well because
It's a very nice bicycle.
What do you think?
Get the
I
three
think
of
it's
them.
great. It's got smelly brakes though.
It's
That's
got very
got smelly brakes. Should we be concerned about the smelly brakes?
Why is it burning?
Not yet.
No. I'll have a look.
We'll have an
Is it
inspection.
is it going to go like
might
into an
go-
inferno? No, is it going to go into an inferno?
Might. It might be melting you.
Yeah, I am.
It's a possibility.
Breaking ground.
It might be melting the resin in the car.
Me and mine
Could
are
be.
some forks.
That would worry me slightly.
Thank you.
All right. Beans on toast, Dave. I'll let you eat.
Yeah, that's it. Stop now.
Yeah.
Eating
Are
oil.
you filming your food again today? 'Cause
Oh,
that's
I ought to, haven't I?
I'm going to plug your channel. Dave has a channel called Dave Does Bikes and Beer and Food, and he reviews his breakfast.
It's been well done.
I've done
that
one
toast.
breakfast review,
This is quite well done.
but this looks quite good. I like my toast like that. Now.
So yeah,
Yeah,
that's
quite
all.
like that on my toast. Yeah.
We'll have a close-up of your toast.
Yeah.
This is what
It's looking good, mate, to be honest.
Well, Jeff's recording himself eating his. I can see him.
Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Proving to the community that I do eat vaguely healthy, even though I'm chubby.
brown sauce in your beer, Dave.
I haven't got any brown sauce. What's that?
Oh, you've got baked bean juice.
She's like the beard inspector at the minute. She had me for granola in the beard this morning. I was putting a time out. I had to go and sit outside and think about what I'd done. Thank you. Oh, right, so that is the calf stop done. Nice to meet a dude that's riding fixed. I'll have a chat with him. And now we're going to ride back, heading Lullington, I think. Oriwas, Lullington, that way. And I'm just going to love this blooming bike. It is great. Okay.
Clear. But there's some brake pad juice on the spoke. You know, like dust.
On mine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Brake pad juice. Paste.
I think it is your rear. Just choose the brake pad a little bit. It's quite abrasive.
Yeah. I mean, they're brand new pads, so they've got to settle, I suppose, haven't they?
Yeah, maybe, yeah, like that. Yeah.
I can't smell it.
I've got it now.
Oh dear, so here we go. Once again, this is what happens when I'm riding at the moment. About 26 miles into this ride. We've stopped, we've had food, I've got warmed up, and this is me. Completely dropped. Cannot fucking turn the pedals. It's getting so frustrating. Totally. Wow, this is so weird. Literally, I've got nothing left all of a sudden. So weird. I'm going to try something to eat, see if that helps, but this is mad. This is like what happened on the last ride. It's so strange. Oh, man. Well, I'm back rolling again. That's something. Oh my God. Oh. Good on road. Hey, well that's me full mud guards coming in handy. Doing their thing as they should. Lovely. Well done, little bike. Right, I've got Lullington Hill coming up now. Still not back online, but hopefully a bit of sugary energy will pep me up. Maybe I'm still just getting over this flu bug. Howdy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to stop. I'm really sorry. Whew. There comes a time when you have to be a grown-up and admit defeat, and that is now. This cold or this flu rather that I had, or COVID or whatever it was, is no joke. It has flattened me. I've managed 30 miles and all of a sudden it's like suddenly I'm riding in treacle. So I've stopped at the court side near Grangewood, which is a lovely cafe. I'm going to get a little bit of something to eat, and Chops, God bless her, has gone to get the van. In other news though, the Raleigh's still looking smart. Chops to the rescue.
I know, it's unheard of.
No, it's unheard of. I've been a grown-up and own the fact that I'm still not actually too well. Doesn't detract from the fact that I really love the bike. The bike was great. I really enjoyed the Raleigh Equipe tribute build. It's turned out really, really well. It's just me that isn't quite right. And I've owned it and I've left it in the video, so you guys can make of it what you will.
You've had the flu.
I've had flu or COVID or something and it's battered me, so there we go. Hopefully if you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching. So I hope your next ride is downhill smooth tarmac. Keep your wheels spinning, keep your rubber on the road or your knobblies out on that trail. Be safe. If you don't feel well, put your ego to one side. Get yourself home one way or another. Say hello to each other. Good human being first, even better cyclist second. You get a minute, like and subscribe, but don't let that get in the way if you're riding your bike.
I rode my bike.
You rode your bike.
I went all the way home.
You did. I know. I did get an extra bacon sandwich out of it, so that was good. Until next time, thanks for watching.